Now we have the classification of polynomials. And since we're talking about classification of polynomials, ayahan nyo muna basahan ko kayo regarding about algebraic expression. An algebraic expression may be classified as the following. Una, we have the polynomial followed by rational expression. And then we have irrational expression. Pero siyempre, dapat alam natin yung kaibahan ng bawat isa, yung polynomial, anong kaibahan ng rational expression sa irrational expression. Now, to start with it, yung definition ng ating polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of one or more terms, each of which is a product of constants and variables, where each variable is raised to a positive integral exponents including 0. So ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Hindi lang 2 terms, hindi lang 3 terms, pati pala ang 1 term lang na example is also a polynomial. For as long as it contains constants and variable. Alam naman natin ang ibig sabihin ng constant and variable. Kapag constant, may specific value. Kapag variable, maraming values yan. And then yung exponent natin, kailangan positive integral exponent. And also, we can include 0. The following now are the examples of polynomials. Ito yung mga alimbawa natin ng polynomials. Yung una, 2x to the 4 plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Polynomial yan. Another term for polynomial is multinomial. So 5 terms yan, ibig sabihin marami yan. So we have it as polynomial. Or we can also call it as multinomial. Or, siyempre, polynomial. The second example is also a polynomial pero pwede ring tawaging binomial. Kasi 2 term lang. Kapag bi, 2. And then this is also an example of polynomial and at the same time, trinomial. Yan. Again, we have another trinomial. X squared y plus 4x plus y is also trinomial. Pero polynomial din yan. 5xyz is also an example of polynomial. Polynomial din yan. Saan na ba? Yan. Pero specifically, mas magandang tawaging monomial. Pero polynomial din yan. Now, polynomials may be classified according to degree. Yan, according to degree, number of terms present, or according to the nature of numerical coefficient. Ulitin ko. Polynomials may be classified according to degree. Kung ano bang exponent ng mga variable, kung 3 ba, kung 4, kung 5. Sa exponent ng mga variables, doon natin madidetermine ang degree ng isang polynomial. At kung ilang terms ba may meron yan, maaari natin tawaging binomial, polynomial, trinomial, or monomial. Nature of numerical coefficient. Bakit nature of numerical coefficient? Maaari kasi yung numerical coefficient mo is a rational number or irrational. Kapag nagkaroon ng radical symbol yan, irrational yan. Now, when polynomials are classified according to the number of terms, the polynomial may be described as, at ito yung mga sumusunod. Monomial, a polynomial of 1 term. Binomial is a polynomial of 2 terms. Trinomial is a polynomial of 3 terms. And then the next one, multinomial or simply a polynomial, actually 4 or more terms. Pero yung 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, puro mga polynomial din yan. Kaya lang, mas magandang pakinggan kapag tinawag mong multinomial o polynomial kapag marami yan na yung terms. Okay, next. So, nag-prepare ako ng halimbawa ng mga polynomials and then explica lang natin kung bakit natawag na monomial, binomial, or trinomial. So, 3xy is a polynomial. Since it has only one term, tatawagin natin monomial. 2x minus 3yz is a polynomial. May dalawang term, kaya ang tawag is binomial specifically. X squared plus 5x plus 6 as 3 terms, so trinomial. A plus 2b plus 3c plus d minus 6c as 5 terms, multinomial or polynomial. X cubed plus 8, 2 terms, binomial. And then, 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 15, it has 4 terms, polynomial or multinomial. 83,156 ABC, 1 term, monomial. And then next. 2AB plus 3CD minus 5FG, 3 terms, trinomial. And then this one, 1 term, monomial. X minus 2YZ, 2 terms, binomial. Now, pag-usapan muna natin yung degree of monomial. Degree of monomial is actually the sum of exponents of its literal coefficients. So mamaya mas maliliwanagan kayo dyan. Degree of polynomial is the highest degree of its monomial terms. Polynomials are classified according to degrees such as 0 degree, first degree linear, second degree or quadratic, third degree or cubic, fourth degree or quartic. Kapag first degree ka pa lang, linear yan. Ang ibig sabihin kasi niyan, parang straight line lang yan. Second degree, kapag second degree, ang other term na pwedeng gamitin is quadratic. Kapag third degree, cubic yan. Kapag fourth degree, ang ibang term na pwede natin magamit is quartic. Kapag nth degree is for any n, a positive integer naman. So, ito yung mga halimbawa natin ng polynomials again, and then nakalagay sa gitna yung degree, and then sa last column naman is the name of the function. If we have 2x plus 1, nasa first degree yan. Bakit first degree? Kung titingnan natin yung 2x, okay, alisin ko yung pagka-highlight. Now, ang konsentrasyon natin nasa 2x. So, kung i-highlight ko yung 2x, yan. Yung x na variable, may exponent na 1 yan. Doon natin malalaman kung ano yung degree ng ating polynomial. Yung exponent ng x, 1. So, nasa first degree tayo. At dahil 1 lang yung exponent at first degree tayo, linear ang function natin. Yun ang gamit ng ating function, linearity. About this one, 3x squared plus 2x plus 5. Pipiliin ko yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent at ito yung 3x squared. Among all the terms, ang may pinakamataas na exponent is 3x squared. And then yung exponent ng 3x squared is 2. At dahil 2 ang exponent, ang degree ng ating polynomial nasa second degree. At dahil second degree yan, definitely quadratic yan. How about 15? Bakit 0 degree or constant? Kung lalagyan ko ng x ang 15 at i-raise ko sa 0, yan, 0 degree talaga yan. At kahit hindi ko na-indicate yan, automatic kapag constant, 0 degree. And anyway, ang x to the 0, kapag naka-raise sa 0 ang kahit na namang number or letter, definitely ang sagot is 1. So kung dudugtungin ko yan, not here, sa kabila. (15) times 1. 15 pa rin. At yung exponent ng x natin is 0. That's why 0 degree. Kaya ko lang in-indicate yan para mas maliwanag. Pero ang given lang talaga natin is here, 15 lang. So 0 degree or constant. How about this one? Our given polynomial, meron siyang 4 na term. Bibilangin ko, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit third degree? Among all the terms, pipiliin ko yung may pinakamataas na degree. Bakit? 3ABC. Ang A may exponent na 1. Ang B may exponent na 1. Definitely. Ang C, definitely may exponent ding 1 yan. So kapag lahat ng exponent ng A, B, and C pinagad natin, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So yun ang degree ng ating polynomial. Hindi ko kukuhanin dito sa pangalawang term. Dahil ang degree lang dito is 2 lang. Ang A may exponent na 1, ang B is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Yung third term, walang exponent. Pipiliin ko yung pinakamataas. So ibig sabihin ang polynomial natin dito is nasa third degree. Yung A, B, and C may tig-isang exponent, i-add natin lahat. So 3 yung total, ibig sabihin third degree. At kapag nasa third degree ka, ang function natin is cubic. About the next one. 5 terms yan, 5x to the 4. Ang pinakamataas na degree makikita sa 5x to the 4th term. So, ibig sabihin, nasa 4th degree tayo. Kapag 4th degree, that is quartic. Now, let us talk about the polynomials again. Ang polynomial daw maaaring maging integral, rational, or irrational. Basahin ko. Polynomials can also be classified according to the nature of its numerical coefficient as being integral, rational, or irrational. Kapag integral ang ating polynomials, it has integers as numerical coefficients of all the terms. Integral yan. Rational, when some of the numerical coefficients are expressed as a ratio of 2 integers or as a fraction or as decimals. Rational, yung given natin noon. And then irrational, when some of the coefficients of the terms are irrational. Nagiging irrational kapag nakakita tayo ng mga radical symbol o yung mga pi na term, nagiging irrational yan. So rational, ibig sabihin, hindi ka makakakita ng mga complex numbers dyan. Okay, so try natin. No? So yun yung mga given natin. Example ng polynomials are yung mga nasa left-hand side natin, sa left column, yung first column. So nature of coefficient, ibibigay sa atin and then the name of the function. Yung name of the function, yung na-discuss ko kanina kung integral, rational, or irrational. Okay, tingnan natin. No? First polynomial. Lahat ng mga coefficient, puro mga integers. Di ba ang 2, 3, 1, negative 2, positive 1, positive 3, and negative 5 are all integers. Positive and negative integers are both present. Kahit puro mga positive yan, okay lang. Ang importante, lahat ng given, the numerical coefficient na nakamultiply sa bawat letra, numerical coefficient, integer lahat. At dahil integers lahat, ang name ng function natin is integral. Ulitin ko, kapag puro mga whole number or counting number, positive or negative, or integers, ang mga coefficient ng bawat term, all integers yan, ang name ng function natin, integral. Pangalawang example, negative 1, positive 2 ang coefficient ni x squared, negative 5 ang coefficient ng x, and then a whole number of 6, lahat integers. Definitely, integral yung ating given. How about this? The numerical coefficient pi is no longer an integer, but an irrational number. Dahil merong isang irrational na makikita tayo sa expression na yan, na pi x minus 1, ang name ng function natin is also irrational. Can you follow? Irrational yan. Sa susunod na halimbawa, nakakita tayo ng radical symbol. So ito yung reason kung bakit natawag na irrational, ano? Because of the pi. Dahil dun sa pi. Iibahin ko yung kulay. Yan. Dito naman, bakit irrational? Because of square root of 3, may radical. That is why naging irrational. About the next one. Kung makakakita naman tayo ng numerical coefficient na fraction, and just like this, 1/2, 3/4, kasi ratio of two integers ang ibig sabihin niyan. Ibig sabihin ng 1/2, 1:2, 3:4, or 3/4. Ratio yan ng dalawang integers na 3 and 4. Dahil may ratio tayo nakikita ng integers, definitely, rational yan. Rational. Sa exam ninyo sa LMS, anak, mga anak, magbibigay ako ng polynomial. Tatanungin ko kayo kung integral ba yan, kung irrational ba yan, o kung rational ba yan. 4x plus 6. Yung 4 and 6 are both integers, therefore, the function is integral. The reason kung bakit naging rational yan because of 1/2 and 3/4. Kapag nakakita ka ng fraction na coefficient, definitely rational yan. Kapag nakakita ka ng pi o kaya ng radical symbol sa bawat numero, ibig sabihin irrational yan. So yun ang ibig kong sabihin sa mga yan. Nakakasunod ba kayo, mga anak? Nakakasunod ba? Okay, malinaw pa ba yung lesson natin?
Yes po.
Okay, ibig sabihin, wala pang malabo, no? Naintindihan pa lahat. So ito yung mga ipapasagot ko sa inyo. And I think I will send this to you na lang mamaya, later. Yan ang magiging assignment ninyo. So sa unang column, I will be giving you the polynomials. Then, bilangin ninyo yung term, number of terms, anong degree ng polynomial natin, ano ba yung nature ng numerical coefficient natin. Kung integral ba, kung rational or irrational, kung first degree ba, kung second degree, kung third degree, kung ilang term ba yan, kung 3, 2, 4, o 5. So, yan lang ang sasagutin ninyo later on. Step by step muna tayo. Now, let us talk about the standard form of polynomials. Definition of the standard form of polynomial. Okay, this is the standard form of polynomial of degree n in the variable x. And babasahin ko siya. A sub n times x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1 plus ... plus a sub 2 x squared plus a sub 1x plus a sub 0. Wherein ang value daw ng a sub n must not be equal to 0 and n is a non-negative integer. And take note of this also. The coefficient a sub n is the leading coefficient and a sub 0 is the constant term. A polynomial is in standard form when the terms are written in decreasing powers of the variable. So ang ibig sabihin pala niyan, ang mga polynomials natin, kailangan ina-arrange natin into decreasing power. So ibig sabihin, yung mga example na nandirito kanina, nandirito ngayon, kailangan pala, i-arrange muna natin. I-arrange muna natin yung mga terms into decreasing. Kaya lang, dito sa example natin, mukhang hindi sila naka-arrange. Katulad halimbawa yan, yung 2b cube dapat pala nasa unahan yan. O, sige, ayusin natin. So, cut ko, lagay ko sa unahan, i-arrange natin. Siyempre, yun ang definition. So, dapat masunod talaga yun. So, plus. So, naka-arrange na into decreasing power yung polynomial natin. So, standard na siya ngayon. Polynomial pa rin kanina, kaya lang hindi nakasulat sa standard form. Ito, pagbalik na rin din natin yan, dapat sa unahan yan para nakasulat sa standard form. At sunod-sunod, pababa yung mga exponent. 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3. Dapat pala ang negative 2y square nandito. Cut ko uli yan. Para nasa gayon, masabi nating nasa standard form lahat. So, negative 2y. Yan, dito yan. So, ibig sabihin, nasa standard form na ngayon. Okay. Gets ko na kung bakit. binigay yung polynomial, yan. Ibinigay yung polynomial, and at the same time, sa lecture natin, sa middle column, isinulat dito yung standard form ng polynomial. And then to sa last part, ibinigay yung leading coefficient. So bakit leading coefficient is 2? Bakit leading coefficient is negative 2 at bakit naman ang leading coefficient here is 1? Nanggaling yung mga leading coefficient na yan doon sa term na may pinakamataas na degree. 2b cubed, ito yung term na may pinakamataas na degree. Yan. At yung coefficient ng b cubed, that is why ang leading coefficient is 2. The next, 4z cubed. The leading coefficient here is 4z cubed. That's why pinili yung 4. 4 ba? Hindi. Negative 2z to the 4 ang ating leading coefficient. Yan. So that is why negative 2 ang ating leading coefficient dito. So leading term natin, negative 2z to the 4. Kasi ito yung may pinakamataas na degree. That's why negative 2. Dito naman, y to the 5 ang pinakamataas ang exponent. At ang coefficient ng y to the 5 is 1. That's why yan ang ating leading coefficient. So possibly, ganyan din ang itatanong ko sa inyo sa LMS. Wala pang mahirap. Kayang-kaya ninyong lahat ng mga yan. So let us talk about the rational expression. Rational expression is an algebraic expression involving a ratio of two polynomials. A rational expression is an algebraic expression involving a ratio of two polynomials. Kailangan daw both numerator and denominator parehong polynomial yan. Nakuha ba natin? Yung 3 is a polynomial. Kaya lang ang degree niya 0 degree. Yung 2 is also a polynomial. Ang degree nga lang niya is 0 degree. Now, lahat ng example na nandirito are all rational expressions. Kasi both numerator and denominator parehong polynomial. Pero kung halimbawa nakakita ka ng radical symbol dyan, hindi na yan rational expression. Let us proceed to the next one. So kailan nga ba matatawag na irrational expression ang isang given example? Kapag ang mga exponents ng bawat letra nasa fractional exponent na, o kaya makakakita na tayo ng mga radical symbol or mga exponents na fraction. Definitely, hindi yan rational, kundi irrational expression. So yan yung mga halimbawa natin ngayon ng irrational expression. Dito, ang mga exponent, puro fractional. Dito, may radical. Ito, may isang radical dyan. So, hindi siya rational, kundi irrational. Ito, may radical, may radical. So, lahat ng mga yan, puro mga irrational expressions. So, in the meantime, hanggang dyan muna tayo, yung pag-usapan natin. Then, another topic na naman yung iba, we have the addition and subtraction of polynomials later on. So, naintindihan ba niyo yung lesson, mga anak? Hanggang sa irrational? Naintindihan ba niyo yung mga sinabi ko? Wala ba kayong gustong italong? Kasi so far, wala ba? Okay.